Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have 2007 Yukon Denali. Can you give me some information what the problem? I have my friend here. You can give me some. Okay, the check engine light is coming on, and the problem in it is that even if you delete the code come back right away. This time I say, you know what, no aftermarket scan. I'm gonna use the original scanner, dealer tools, Tech 2. This is for GM cars from 1982 or all the way back, GM1, OBD1, OBD2, and it's go up to 2013. Some car 2010, 11. So I'm gonna diagnose the car. It's 2007 MVP GM truck. Letter K, Yukon. It's not XL, right?
XL, yeah.
XL, big one.
It's nice.
Powertrain is 6.0, right?
6.2.
That number 8. Engine and control, diagnosis, DTC. I'm waiting for the codes, what's going on. There's code, ECM is present. We have 8 codes. That's too much.
Yeah, it is.
We have 8 codes.
That it is good.
8 codes. Let me see. I don't want to
wish I could stop by and see
view
this
all
house,
codes.
but
Push the soft button.
I don't know if this car's gonna-
Now here, evaporative emission vent solenoid control circuit, P0449. And then go back. Auto sensor heater resistance, bank 2 sensor 2. That's the heater. Auto sensor heater control circuit, bank 2 sensor 2. That's 2 times. Auto sensor heater resistance, bank 1 sensor 2. That means 2 in the bottom. Heater circuit control, bank 1 sensor 2. Camshaft position sensor system performance, P001. Engine oil pressure sensor circuit. Wow, that's a lot of code. Crankshaft position sensor performance. That's a lot of code. And they all come back right away, right? If you clear this code, they all come back. Let's see now. I'm gonna go back now to do the first thing after we record it. I'm gonna go back to see if we can delete them. Display. View all of them. Then you push the soft button to clear them. Clear it. You want to clear everything, click yes. And then I want to see if they will go away, and if they come back, then you have to create a test plan. Clear is in progress. There's only one fault left. Evaporative emission vent solenoid, that means it's there. So I'm gonna take the car off, start again. This car take longer to start, I don't know why. Let me see code display again, what code is gonna come. I have 4 code come back. The evap, I have it before. Crankshaft position sensor performance, heater control circuit, evap. Okay, so let me go back again. Car is running now. I want to display it again. Now he come 5. Let me see what again. The oil pressure sensor circuit also it come back. Wow. So they all keep coming. They keep coming. So we have 5 more. What causing this and what we need to know, that's the next step. I'm gonna view all the DTC, oil pressure sensor, P0523. So I'm gonna write down all, you have pen here? I'm gonna write down this code quick and then we're gonna run analytical or analysis for it. P0336. That's good.
Right on there?
That's okay.
Oh, you got it.
Okay, I'm gonna write them and then I will go to analyze them. So here we have P0523. And then I have P0449. P0056. P0036. And P0336. Now, those codes, they come back. Now we need to look for the reason. Give us like 2 minutes. We come back. Okay, concerning this code here, did anybody change any sensor on it?
Yeah, the dealer changed everything.
They changed the crankshaft sensor.
Everything.
They changed the O2 sensors.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
O2 changed.
We have. Okay, let me go back now. I want to read it again because I remember I have 5, and now I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check a couple of them. Give me a couple of minutes. Good morning. Let me see it again here. How many codes they come back? We have still the 5. Okay. What I know is, first of all, the engine oil pressure sensor.
Yeah.
We have a code there. The sensor being replaced, right?
I think so, but I don't
Okay.
know.
What about? I'm not just the evaporative evap vent solenoid. This code is hard code.
No.
That means we need to check the wire, the continuity, the sensor itself.
It's itself.
Yeah, and also we have O2 sensor, heater circuit, bank 2 sensor too. You know this, you have bank 1 and bank 2.
Bank two,
Both
yeah.
of them, bank 1 and bank 2, the heater circuit control are not okay. It could be the computer is no good, it could be a wiring, it could be anything that in between. The crankshaft position sensor, sometimes it's hard, you see, like when you
I know what it is. It heats up sometimes. Like if it gets too much heat on it, it'll break.
Okay, my point is, did you replace it?
I did. The dealer
This one here,
supposed to
like you have
replace.
to take almost go under next to the starter there and replace it and do all this. If the dealer changes those stuff, you bring all this paper. I'm gonna put it in. I don't want to do double work.
Right.
But this car, each like this crankshaft sensor, you have to go step by step, follow the wiring harness, be sure that the continuity are okay. The sensor also is replaced. All this stuff, be sure that like okay, and just to follow the step, you see, like follow the step of crankshaft sensor. I have like four pages.
Oh, wow.
Go by here, go by the one. You have 5 codes. All these sensors have to go one by one. It could be a short somewhere, it could be electrical, but each one you have to create a diagnostic platform.
Right.
And you can say that it can take you from a day to a week.
Right.
It does not affect your drivability like O2 sensors, but the crankshaft sensor is not okay.
Yeah.
Unless
that
yeah,
affects your
and yes,
drivability.
you may need to get some kind of time to leave this car here, so start working on it, narrow down those problems. It will not be like you here and my mom also next to me try to fix it. If it's a tire or a brake, front brake, rear brake, okay, but this one here is really work that need to be. We need to start eliminating one by one.
Right.
Eliminating one by one till we come to the crankshaft sensor, and then it say that the car is not seeing some signal from the crankshaft sensor like for
Signal.
8 seconds. like 8-second revolution, the engine was turning and it didn't see no signal. So before we go crazy, we may have to adjust some time, get some car for, you're gonna use your friend car, you rented your mom
I
car.
have a friend's
Oh,
car.
no problem. Think about all this here. I just get it. Those papers you see, I get it from Identifix. They have a very good technical input. If any technician want to fix car, you can go to Identifix, apply, and you know, like get some hints from them. But what I'm trying to do is I have to, if you need to fix this car, you have to leave it like cool down and like early in the morning, nothing hot. Then we start going under it and down, you know, like follow all the steps, look
So
at visual
tomorrow morning it'll be
inspection.
good.
You're not gonna use this car. Because if you leave it here maybe 5, 6, 7 days, you're not gonna get it.
Oh,
So if you have anything, try to prepare yourself correctly. So you don't need it, then we're gonna start work on it. At least we're gonna work by the crankshaft sensor and all this.
560, I can't do that.
You can't do that, so you go ahead and
560.
no, not that. Drive it and trade it into another car. We have no problem with that. With no problem, so you're gonna be on the road.
I can't do
Now you start
560.
like you finish one job. Sometime you need to drive it 10, 15 miles, test it,
See if
coming,
it come
and
back,
then
yeah.
and then also. But it's not like 1, 2, 3 here or there. But we have stuff that to taking care of it. And let me see now if I go back to the data. Okay, we're gonna leave this one here for now, and we're gonna make an appointment. If we're gonna fix this, we're gonna start our diagnosis and troubleshooting, narrow down the problem. If you wanna try to drive it like this till it broke, then you know that it's broke. You cannot go nowhere. You bring it here now. We're gonna start work on it because obligatorily, it's up to you. But you need to fix this car seriously. Electrical is not like something. It's not okay.
Probably.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. I'm gonna give you this video to watch it.
Okay.
If you subscribe in YouTube channel, my YouTube channel.